The arrowhead plant goes by numerous names, including arrowhead vine, goosefoot, and syngonium. The care of this plant is quite easy. The watering should be done once the soil is dried, though the plant appreciates lot of moisture, but too much watering may lead to the root rot. In this way, you can get a too much bushy syngonium in a small pot. You can see what I have holding in my hand and lot of bushy in a small pot. Soon I will just separate them. It can tolerate all variants of temperature, but during dry weather, it enjoys lot of misting. Variegated varieties require filter sunlight, but these varieties are regular varieties and they can do well with direct or little bit indirect sunlight. And if we'll talk about the fertilizer, then twice a year during spring and autumn, mostly with balanced fertilizer works great for them. And during fertilizer, just make sure that the soil is damp. And during winter, as the growth of this plant is quite slow, so don't do any fertilization during this winter season. When we will talk about the toxicity of this plant, then I must say that yes, this plant is little toxic. The sap content are toxic and it can irritate the skin and eyes and sometimes mouth as well. And it is also toxic to the pets. This plant grows with a pretty trailing or climbing vine. It tends to grow if it gets right condition. I prefer to give natural compost and cow manures to all my lovely plants. And liquid fertilizer of NPK also I prefer to provide them. You can see they are quite happy. Too much sunlight can scorch leaves, causing them to burn, and sometimes it can drop the leaves. So, houseplants they are low light plants, so I prefer them not to keep in direct sunlight. As you see, these leaves are just burn in direct sunlight. Though this plant was staying in my balcony, but one side of the balcony, like one part of this pot, is exposed to sunlight. As the plant grows like a trailing or climbing vines, so it can be a great option to decorate our house and it can modify the interior space of any living place. It can be a hanging basket or also can be climbed by using a moss stick. Propagation is quite easy. Just cut any part below the node area and just keep it inside water. As you can see, I have kept two of the cuttings inside water and it's quite long time, as you can see from the roots. And also I have a separate video where I have mentioned how to grow the plants inside water. I will put the link in the description box. Either we can put it the cutting inside water, or also we can put near to the node area inside soil. So quite easy way to propagate the plant. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video and you must have also got the information what we are looking for. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel Mom's Passion.